Oh, well, at least you got it. How did that feel?
Terrifying.
G'day. Today I've got 15-year-old Emil from Germany. He's never shot a gun in his life, he's never hunted an animal, he's never even caught a fish. Today I'm going to teach him how to hunt rabbits. We're going to start off with some rifle practice and some gun safety. I've taken the bolt out of the rifle and I've just given him to play with the scope a little bit, just to get a feel. He's finding out how hard it is to hold it steady. We haven't got a rest for him, we're just getting started with the basics first. Just get your breathing nice and relaxed. You ready? And now. 1001, 1002, 1003. Rabbit's gone, mate. We've lost that rabbit. It's going to run away. We'll do it again. Put it down again. Rabbit's just present itself. Now. 1001, 1002, 1003.
This one,
Yeah.
and this one are mine.
Okay, so this one here is okay. This is okay. When did you? I think these were your early ones, eh?
I don't know.
So that's a kill shot. That's a kill shot, and that's a almost. So we've got one kill shot out of 1, 2, 3, 4 shots, was it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's a good start for your first time. That's all right. I figured if I dress like a rabbit, I've got more chance of catching a rabbit. Do you like my rabbit jacket, mate?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a rabbit just down the end of the fence line there. So you could use one of these posts to rest on. I think the fence is off, but just assume it's on. He's perfectly sitting there for you. Missed it.
Have I hit him?
No, he didn't hit him, no. No, he's pretty safe, bro. You went to go and chase after him, didn't you?
Yeah.
Instead of reloading. You've got to actually, first of all, got to hit him before you go after him.
I can't distinguish if I hit a rabbit or not.
Well, you're supposed to watch through the scope. You're supposed to keep watching through the scope.
Okay.
Yeah. And I think you've jammed up again, have you?
No, I fixed it already.
So you haven't pulled that back yet, no?
Yes, I have. It's
Oh,
half.
so
It's half low.
I see a half load on half bolt.
Yeah.
Okay. There goes another rabbit further away. See over there by the log at the top? You want to shoot just above its head a fraction at that distance, just on the top of its head. Okay? But you can't move at all when you squeeze that off. It's just, remember how I told you about your breathing? Just to breathe in and breathe out as you squeeze off?
I see it physically, but not through the scope.
Oh, you haven't found it yet. Just when you're ready, just squeeze off and keep looking the whole time. Oh, reload. Finger off the trigger. No finger on the trigger until you're on the target. Yep. And just squeeze gently. Bottom of the tree, there's a rabbit right there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
See it?
Yes.
Okay, you can shoot it from the back. That's a good shot. You're going to take a standing shot, be hard to go. I hate to say it, mate, but you missed it.
Sure.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Frustrated over it.
Frustrated?
Yes.
Good. It'll make you hungry to try harder.
White nose.
Yeah, but that's actually not a safe shot because you can't tell what's behind it. See its white nose?
I see.
So what we'll do is we'll sneak around and see if we can get a bit closer. You can't take that shot because you can't see what's above it. Don't move, there it goes. Just wait. There you go. You got it. Go, 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 go. Go. Go, go. Catch it. Hold it. There you go. Keep it off your pants. You break its neck?
Yeah.
Good boy. Well done. Good job, buddy. Good job. Put it there. It's your first kill. I don't know if you enjoyed that or not.
I don't know if I did either.
Well, you wanted to kill a rabbit.
Oh yeah, my jacket is and my trousers.
Well, you didn't exactly wear hunting clothes, did you? There you go. Well, I found it for you, and you didn't miss it.
Yes.
Right.
still moves.
You did well.
Yeah.
You didn't stuff it up. You got it, man.
I was very, very nervous.
Yeah. Do you want to try and shoot another one, or you think you're done?
I think I'm done.
Hold that. And we're just going to get this. And there's all that beautiful meat. Oh yeah, you killed it, mate. That was a kill shot. You didn't look at that. Was a heart.
Oh.
Yeah, it was a kill shot. It was a running dead rabbit. I'm going to pour malt vinegar, just a cheap malt vinegar, in the pot and cook this guy in the malt vinegar. To keep this under the vinegar, I'm going to put this cast iron lid of the smaller pot just in there to keep the main amount down. I'll come back to that in 1 hour. I've taken the rabbit off the heat and that's heating some fresh water on that. It will be going for about an hour, and as you can see, it's looking soft already. Drain them off a bit more because we want to actually get that vinegary taste off the rabbit. Just pop them in there for now, and I'm going to tip this out and keep it. Okay. Right, we're going to heat that up and add some more water to the mix so our bunny's completely submersed. It's starting to float there now. Well, our bunny has had another half hour of boiling in the water, and by now that should have got most of the sourness out of it. By now it'll be starting to break down a bit, I would imagine. Still holding together? Yep, it's holding together okay. Mushrooms, meat of the forest, with a little bit of garlic and a little bit of ginger just put in there for a mix. In the pot we've got potatoes, kurma and yams cooking in the camp oven. And our mushrooms are ready. To make my gravy, I'm going to use just this, like that, straight on there, and put a mix in with some mushrooms and garlic that I've already done. So this is for you to try, bud. It's the first time you've actually ever tried rabbit that you've shot yourself.
Yes.
So you shot it, I've cooked it. That's probably needs a wee bit more, bit tough still, but it's still cooking.
That's really good.
Not bad, eh?
It's really tasty.
You shot it, mate. Feels different, eh, when you've shot something yourself and you eat it? Do you notice a different feeling about it?
Yeah. Yeah.
How does it taste? Does it taste like chicken a bit, or a lot of people say rabbit tastes like chicken, but I don't think it does. I think it tastes more gamey.
And I don't know. Tastes like rabbit. So
Well, you've had rabbit in Germany. Is it the same as rabbit in Germany?
more or less, I think it's like the way you cooked it. It's pretty different.
Yeah.
But I think it's pretty similar.
Yeah.
Not the same, but similar.
Cool. Oh, I'll finish it off and then we'll eat, eh?
Yeah.
I'll let you go back to rifle practice and then I'll call you when it's ready.
Nice.
There's your rabbit.
Thank you. That's a whole lot of rabbit.
Yeah, man. Made you a nice gravy for it too.
Alright, thank you.
Mushroom, garlic, ginger.
Sounds good.
Made the juice, yeah. Kurma, yams, potatoes, coriander in the garden. The salt if you need it.
Yeah.
Right,
I'll see.
good luck tearing it.
Alright. Thank you very much for cooking. Fuck. I didn't see that.
You see what?
A bone. It's stuck into my palate.
Stuck in the kid here.
Yeah.
Well, it's a whole animal, man.
Yeah.
Didn't bone it out. It's not like it come from the shop in a packet like you're used to.
Yeah.
It's got bones in it. It's an animal, you know.
I don't know.
I left the kidneys in there for you too.
I'll try.
You can pick it off and just eat it off the bone if you want to with your hands. once you're confident with your rifle, then you can make a sort of more confident decision to shoot an animal, you know. I should film something for your mum in Germany so she can see what you're eating in New Zealand, eh?
Yeah.
Got your phone on you?
Yeah.
What's your mum's name?
Vera.
Hey Vera, this is your son, and he's eating what he killed on the farm. He shot this rabbit, we've cooked it up, and he's enjoying it in the log cabin.
Feels very weird.
What feels weird?
The fact that this is what I hunted.
Well, how does that feel weird?
So not bad, weird, but just new, you know?
Mm-hmm. You want to come hunting out here again?
Yeah.
What about big game hunting? How do you think you'd go with that? Hunting a pig or a deer or a goat?
I don't think it would be that much of a different mental.
Okay.
Like, I don't think a pig is as cute as a rabbit. Like, when I see it, I don't see people who have pigs as pets or something. Like, that's also a mental factor. Like when my girlfriend has those things as pets.
Pet rabbits.
Yeah, pet rabbits. So when I look into those eyes and I see it's like a little cute still, and I gonna eat it, it's still a little different from a pig, I think, or deer.
Actually, a pig makes a really good pet. I've had pet pigs, so. Hope you guys enjoyed Emil's Kitchen Cook with us. We might see him again if he wants to come out. Good luck with your own hunting and fishing and gathering food habits going. Be good, can't be good, be careful. We'll see you next one. See you later.